This is the Orange Book, page 47, Love Somebody. I'm going to play the right hand first. Put your thumb on middle C, line up all your fingers. I'll sing the finger numbers and then I'll play it without singing. 1, 3, 5, 5, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2. 1, 3, 5, 5, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1. Now this time I'm going to show you with the left hand as well. So your left hand thumb goes on a G below middle C, so there's 2 white notes in between. You're going to do a 1 and a 2, a 1 and a 3, and then a 1 and a 4. And that's going to be at the same time as some right hands, so watch. 1 and 2 with 2, 1 and 3 with 3, 1 and 4 with 4. This time we're going the other way round. 1 and 4, 1 and 3, 1 and 2. Same as the beginning. This time just 1 and 3 in the left. Okay, I'm going to play all of that without talking.